Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckwood with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Wednesday, February 26th. Consolidation day after the big rally on Monday. Inside day in the stock market, we saw the E-mini S&P actually finish positive. The futures all were positive on the day. The stock cash was actually a little bit negative, so somewhat of an unchanged day. E-mini S&P up a quarter, 1846 and a quarter, only at a 14-point range between the high and the low. Dow futures up one whopping point, 16,187, and the Nasdaq added one and a half, added actually a half at 3668 and one half. Dollar index is getting very, very tight in its range, 25-point range between the high and the low, 80.17 down 6, unable to get below this 80, so if it can't, it may see a bounce here, but we'll see. The euro currency, 137.42, the high was 137.67, the low was 137.15. So again, a consolidation there, looking for some price movement in one direction or another. Bonds, another push to the upside, 133.20 up 25, pushing rates down a little bit more. Crude oil down $1 at 101.80 with natural gas selling off 10% yesterday. Heavy round of profit taking as the weather has changed, but natural gas had moved up 10% last week, so it just gave back those gains. Gold up $5, new relative highs one more time in the gold market at 1343. So looking at the markets yesterday with a quiet day, where do things stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're positive. We're up 3.5 points at 1349.5 in the E-mini S&P. We're up about 0.2%. Dow futures are up 22 points, 16,210. And the Nasdaq right now is at 3694, up 5, closing in on those highs once again. Dollar index up 4 at 80.20. Euros down 4, 137.38. Bonds are down 2 ticks at 133.18. Crude oil's up 35 cents at 102.20, and gold backing off a tiny bit down 4 at 13.39 as it stands. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. We are positive right now here Wednesday morning, up 3.5 at 1849.5. The all-time forever highs were made Monday at 1856 and 3/4. So we are within striking distance of that level. Dow futures right now are also 22 points higher as the market is supported across the board. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.